Hey guys, this chocolate biscuit cheesecake recipe is super easy. There's no baking needed, no flour, no eggs, no gelatin, no condensed milk. It's just pure deliciousness. Alright, let me show you how to make it. So for the biscuit, I am using graham crackers and Oreos, but I just removed the frostings inside the Oreos. Then use a food processor to pulse the biscuits into crumbs. This is what the crumbs will look like. It will have bits of biscuits in them. Then go ahead and transfer them into a different bowl. You can also slightly pulse the nuts in the food processor or chop them with a knife. Use whatever you have in hand. You want the nuts to look like this. And now let's go ahead and combine them with the ground biscuits. Then make a hole in the middle and add the melted butter. And mix until very well incorporated. You want the mixture to be wet but not too wet where it's dripping butter. I am using a 9-inch springform pan to make the cake because it makes it easier to remove the cheesecake. I will put the link to this pan in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Okay, now let's go ahead and transfer the crumbs mixture into the pan. You can use a spoon to spread the crumbs in the pan. And then use a drinking glass to press them firmly into the bottom and up the sides of the pan. We need to do this until all the sides of the pan are filled with the crust. Okay, so it should look like this. Let's go ahead and let it chill in the fridge while we prepare the cheesecake filling. So grab some room temperature block of cream cheese. We're going to need 2 of them. Then add 1 cup of Nutella. Use a spoon to get it out of the cup if it's sticking to the cup. Then let's go ahead and beat the cream cheese and the Nutella over medium speed in a large bowl until the mixture is smooth and creamy. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then pour the cheesecake batter on top of the crust. Use a spatula to take them out. Now spread the batter evenly with a spatula to become the second bottom half of the cake. And now that that is done, let's go ahead and get ready to make the whipped cream. Right now I'm using a stand mixer, but you can also use a handheld mixer. Go ahead and beat the powdered sugar and the cold heavy cream over medium speed. Don't use high speed because high speed will over whip the cream and the low speed will under whip it. As you can see, we are now starting to see a slightly sturdy peak forming. And you know that it's done when the cream is frothy like this. When you lift the whisk out of the bowl, the whipped cream should stick to the whisk like this but not droop. This is what it should look like. Now that we did that, let's mix it with the cream cheese. So take the room temperature block of cream cheese and put it in a bowl. Go ahead and beat it first and then add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar until it's creamy and smooth. Then add the whipped cream to the cream cheese. Gently combine them. Use a spatula to mix it. But do not mix it for too long. Okay, now we can finally add the whipped cream mixture on top of the Nutella and cream cheese batter. Then using a spatula, a butter knife or a spoon, gently smooth the batter to even out. I like to use the spoon, so that's what I'm using. And voila, it is done. I got this French chocolate, it's called Merci, they're my favorite. So these are what I'm using to top the cheesecake, but feel free to use any of your favorite toppings. And I just went ahead and chopped them into small little bits like this. And I added them on top of the cake. And I also added some chocolate syrup, and again you can use any of your favorite toppings. It's up to you. Alright, the cake is in the fridge. We're gonna leave it there for a few hours so it can harden, and then we're gonna go ahead and eat it. I am so excited. I hope you're excited like I am too. Okay, the cake is ready now, and it's time to slice it. And look, we got a slice. Doesn't it look beautiful? So feel free to decorate this cake the way you want. Okay, time to give it a taste. This cake tastes so good. It's so light, creamy, chocolatey, and absolutely delicious. I can't believe it's so easy to make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.